Action words like jump are verbs, but verbs change to show when you are doing something. This morning, I jumped. Now, I jump. And tonight, I will jump. I jump higher all the time. Complete the sentence to show that it already happened. This morning, I will play. Played. Played. Good job! Complete the sentence to show that it is happening now. Now I played. Play. Play. Good thinking. Complete the sentence to show that it hasn't happened yet. Tonight I will play. Played. Will play. Good work! Which sentence happened in the past? We swam in the pool last week. We swim in the sea today. We will swim in the lake tomorrow. We swam in the pool last week. Great! Complete the sentence to show that it already happened. Yesterday, Rhea. About zebras. Will learn. Learned. Learned. Yesterday, Rhea learned about zebras. Great job! Complete the sentence to show that it is happening now. Now, Rhea. About dolphins. Learns. Learned. Learns. Now, Rhea learns about dolphins. Awesome! Complete the sentence to show that it hasn't happened yet. Tomorrow, Rhea. About parrots. Tomorrow. Learned. Will learn. Will learn. Tomorrow, Rhea will learn about parrots. Cool beans!